Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, students, we were reading our chapter number 7, that is animals around us. So, in this chapter, you have studied about different type of animal. Now, different type of animal, that is based on their size also. Like you have studied about very big animal like your African elephant, then your big animal like your lion, tiger. Then we have learned about your small animals. Small animals are your rabbit, okay? And then it is your very small animal like your insects, like your butterfly, or let me say mosquito. So these were some types of animals. You have also studied about the your how the animal uses their tail. Okay, so every animal, mostly the animal uses their tail for a specific purpose. Like monkey use their tail to swing from one tree to another. The fish uses the tail fin to change the direction in the water. So here animals are using their tails in different way. Students, now we are going to study a new topic in this chapter, that is helpful animals. Okay, so who are animals who are helpful to us, or how can we define this word, that is helpful animal? So we all mostly consume animal product, or we take the help of the animal in one way or the other. So let us study how animals are useful to us. So the first one is very common, that is your milk. So now, who are the animal who give us milk? Obviously your cow, goat. These are the animal who provide us milk, and milk is a very important part in our daily life. Okay, like you get butter, ghee, your paneer. Mostly you get this thing from your milk, and also milk is very good for the human beings. Okay, because it also have the calcium. So this milk is obtained from the cow and your goat, buffalo. Now another one is your again eggs. Can you guess who are the animals who give us eggs? So your answer is yes, it is hens and duck. Okay, hens and ducks. So hen and duck give us the egg. Now in the same way, like we are getting milk, we are getting eggs. The third thing which we get from the animal is your, let me say it as meat, or yeah, meat. So the animal from whom we get the meat is your, you can say it as fish, goat. These are the animal who are consumed as your meat. So these are being eaten by your non-vegetarian. So who are the non-vegetarian people? Who eat the flesh or meat. Okay. Now the next one is your another important one, that is wool. Can you guess, or can you name the animals who provide us wool? So yes, your answer is very correct. It is sheep and also camel. So you get wool from sheep and camel. And yes, wool is also helpful to us or useful to us. How the woolen clothes are made from the wool. The another thing which we get from the animal is your silk, and your silk is obtained from silk worm. So mostly people or ladies are wearing silk sari. Okay, some people are wearing silk kurta, silk suit. So from where we are getting this silk? We are getting this silk from an insect called as the silkworm. The cocoon of the insect silkworm is boiled and the silk threads are obtained. The another one is, yes, everyone knows, that is honey. So, and obviously we all know from where we get honey. We get honey from your honeybee. So, you might have seen beehive, okay? So what happened? This honeybee suck the nectar from the flower, and what does honeybee do? This honeybee spit this nectar into the beehive's compartment, okay? Your beehive is somewhat like this. It is like this. This each single cell, this single part is called as compartment. So what happened? That honeybee comes and spit the nectar into this compartment and seal this compartment with wax, and after few days what happened? We get honey from this beehive. And the next one is your, let me guess, can you guess another use of the animals? Yes, you might have seen some of the animals working in field, okay? So some animals are used to plow field. Plow field. So let me write the name also, that is ox and bull. So what is the meaning of ploughing? You might have seen a field, आप लोगों ने खेत देखा होगा. So what happened in the field? We use your ox and bull and we attach a plough with them and we make them to move over the field. So what happened? From that plough, your mud, okay, your mud is turned over, okay, and it is very helpful for your crops, okay. अगर आपको खेती करना है, so this is one of the best thing to grow your crops. So here the animals which we are using to plough the field are your ox and bull. And lastly, your eighth one is pets, and I don't think so I should tell who are pets or which animal we can keep as pets. Let me say your dog, cat, है ना? These are the animals to whom we can keep as pet, and yes, pets are good friends of us. So students, here you can see many animals who are useful to us in different way. So let us revise. We get milk from cow and goat. We get eggs from hens and ducks. We get meat from fish and goat. Wool from sheep and camel. Silk from silkworm. Honey from honeybee. And were the animal used to plough the field? So your answer is ox and bull. And some of the animal to whom we keep as pet are your dog and cat. So yes student, I hope you might have understood the topic till